man, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bass Addict, and I'm back with another video, man. In this video, y'all, I'm gonna have my youngest cousin on my mom's side to come through in his, I think it's a 2003 Honda Accord LX, man. The factory radio wasn't working, so he ended up getting a double DIN and all the other stuff, and I'm gonna install it for him, man. But before y'all get into these next clips, man, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell, man. Click that bell, y'all. Click that notification bell right now while you ain't doing that. Alright, but I'm gonna apologize to y'all up front. I started I had already put the kit together for the double DIN and already mounted the double DIN to the kit before I even start the video, and I had already started breaking the car down before I even thought about firing the camera up. I don't know what I was thinking about, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all the little clips I did get. I mean, it was my intention to do piece by piece breakdown on how to break that whole car down. Cause if y'all don't know it, those year model Hondas, you basically have to from the gear shifter all the way up to the top of the original CD player. Everything got to come out for you to do this double DIN install. But like I said, by the time I had thought about turning my camera on, I was already 25-30% along with it. You know what I'm saying? I was already moving, so I was really just trying to get him out of here before it got dark, cause you know what I'm saying, cuz young, he just graduated, you know what I'm saying, and I know, you know how it is when you're young, man. You be trying to make the best out of every single thing, man. So I was just really rushing. I ain't gonna say rushing, but I was moving at a good pace where I can get him out of here before it got dark, man. So he'll have time to ride around, hit him a couple corners, and listen to his CD player, listen to his sound and stuff, man. But like I say, y'all, I ain't got that much footage of it, but I do got some clips, and y'all can see everything that had to come off, and y'all can see why, you know, where it came from. So with that being said, man, let's get straight into these clips, man. It's your boy Bass Addict. We are out. Hey, everything wired up. Only thing I had to do is hook this joker up. And we got some fire. Yep. Y'all see the head unit coil running, man. Clean, man. Alright, I'm gonna put the key in the joker. Alright, moment of truth. And we got fire, y'all. Y'all see it? Everything hooked up. Only thing we got to do then, I don't know why I turned the windshield wipers on, but we got to hook everything back up, put everything back together, make it look real good. But as y'all can see, it do got a double DIN now. Let me see something. We gonna see if we got some sound. I don't know why the hell I got the windshield wipers. Let's see if we got some sound. Right. Let me see some of y'all.
When I pull out the wheel, paint wet, baby, come take a deal. Spend a check when I hit on the stroke. Got some secrets, never leaving my lips. Being Gucci, boy, you know I'm the man. These niggas faking, but I know when they scared, yeah. Yes, Lord, yeah, I see it. I could been my Ford toy pedal to the floor, yeah. I get rest in Lord, yeah. I get rest in Lord, nigga. And I put that on the Lord, God, the shit on smoke or so loud, can't ignore it, yeah.
All right, y'all. I installed it for him. He love it. He's very happy. I don't even think Cub wanted to be on camera, so I ain't even put him on camera, man. I just basically got shots of the CD player, as y'all seen. So, like I said, man, if y'all rocking with this type of content called audio and all the other stuff, man, check my channel out, man. I got over 50-something videos on here, man, and steady dropping them, man. I know they were a little on the short side, and I didn't go as far in detail as I should have, but like I told y'all in the intro, I was trying to get him out of here before it got dark, so he had time to enjoy his CD player, you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, man, y'all, like I keep saying, make sure you hit that subscription button, y'all. Hit that like button and smash that bell, y'all. Y'all, please help continue to grow this channel, y'all. We on the road to 1,000, man. On the road to 1,000 subs, y'all, and I know for a fact we can do it, man. So, with that being said, y'all, this is your boy Bass at it. We are out of here.